What's going on, guys? It's your man Ed Hayes, the wholesale coach here, back for another video. We are back rocking and rolling out here once again, guys, and today I wanted to bring you all another video to the channel to talk about my favorite wholesale and marketing funnel. I want y'all to get out here, start rocking and rolling, and start getting results right away. And this marketing funnel is the exact funnel that I'm using right now in my business. So make sure that y'all tune in, take notes, get ready, because I'm about to put y'all on to exactly what you all need to do to get out here and get consistent deals on a monthly basis. So I hope that y'all pumped for this content. Go ahead, hit that like button for me now, and let's go ahead, let's get into it. All right, guys, so I'm gonna keep this one short, simple, and straight to the point. The first tool that you're gonna need inside of this marketing funnel is gonna be Propstream. Propstream gives you access to 10,000 plus leads per month, all right? And those are cash buyer and motivated seller leads. Keep in mind, you're gonna need enough leads to get the volume necessary to realistically have a chance at getting deals out here. Don't think that you're gonna be able to make 5 or 10 calls a day and actually be out here getting deals. So with Propstream giving you 10,000 plus cash buyer and motivated seller leads, you can't really beat it. And I have videos on this channel as well as in my Wholesaler University course that shows you exactly how I like to go in and pull my favorite set of leads. Make sure that you check that out. I'm probably gonna put a little button at the top of this video so you can click on that. Now, once you've pulled yourself a set of leads, you're gonna need to get the contact information for these people, meaning you're gonna need to skip trace them. All right, so skip tracing is pretty much just getting the contact information for individuals. So the company that I like to use to get skip tracing is a Data Finder. Data Finder cost me $250 a month for 15,000 skip traces. That's 1.6 cents per lead. So Data Finder is where it's at. That's 250 bucks a month for 15,000 skip traces. Now, the next thing that I'm recommend if you want to get out here and clone my wholesale marketing funnel is going to be grabbing yourself REI Reply. REI Reply allows you to do automated multi-touch marketing campaigns using text and ringless voicemail drops, and it's all done for you. So I just actually made a couple videos on the channel about REI Reply. So if you haven't already, make sure that you give those a look-see so you can see whether this is something that you're actually interested in. So instead of just sending one message at a time like you would with, say, for instance, a Textedly, REI Reply allows you to consistently market to these individuals over and over and over again until you actually get responses from them. And you don't have to sit there and babysit your campaigns and, write individual messages back. They have templates inside of there. You can actually track your Facebook and your Google ad campaigns. It's kind of ridiculous, to be honest with you. I'm not gonna deep dive it too much, but I highly recommend grab yourself REI Reply. It's only 49 bucks per month right now if you get grandfathered in. And make sure that you use that link in the description of this video and in the pinned comment so you can grab yourself REI Reply and start automating your business today. The last tool in this puzzle is gonna be Call Tools. Now, Call Tools is an automatic dialer tool that allows you to reach out to a massive amount of motivated sellers and cash buyers in a very short period of time. Just keep in mind, guys, that volume is the name of the game. Like I said earlier, you can't realistically expect to get deals out here if you're only making 5 to 10 calls per day. So cold calling actually gives you one of the highest conversion rates out there when it comes to reaching out to motivated sellers. And that's a huge portion of the reason why I recommend cold calling. But you don't want to just cold call one person at a time, be doing it manually. It's going to take you a ton of time to do it like that. So I highly recommend check out Call Tools. Call Tools is going to allow you to call over 100 people per hour every single hour that you're calling. All right, so it makes a huge difference. You can even put your VA inside of Call Tools so they can make the calls for you, but you can record and analyze all of their phone calls. Call Tools costs just $199 to get started, but if you mention my name when you call up there, they should give you a $50 discount. Just tell them like, yeah, man, you know, Ed Hayes, the wholesale coach, told me about you all. They should give you a $50 discount on the intro cost. So they'll send you over an invoice for $149, and then it's just $99 per month going forward to be able to reach thousands of people via phone call every single month. Okay, so let's put all of this stuff together, guys. I just want to make it all make sense for you all. So I'll start off with Propstream. That's going to cost you $99 per month, and you're going to get 10,000 leads per month. Then from there, I'm gonna skip trace those leads using Data Finder. Data Finder is gonna cost you $250 per month to be able to skip trace 15,000 leads every single month. Then once I've got the leads skip traced, I'm gonna put them into an REI reply texting and ringless voicemail drop campaign. And then I'm also gonna put those leads into Call Tools so we can do an automatic dialing campaign as well. So putting it all together, Propstream is $100, Data Finder is $250, so that brings us to $350. REI Reply is another $50, which brings us to $400, and then Call Tools is another $99, which brings us up to $500 per month on a marketing budget. All right, so that's just kind of like the base level right there, but obviously there are other tools and systems necessary to really convert these leads into actual checks in our account, right? So I've got a few more tips and strategies for you all, a few more services that I highly recommend that you all check out if you really kind of want to put this entire funnel into place and actually get out here and start getting some deals, y'all. All right, so the first tool that I'm gonna recommend is getting yourself a CRM. I recommend Asana, A-S-A-N-A. Asana looks so beautiful, and it's really, really simple for most people to get rocking and rolling with it right away. So what I like to do with Asana is that I'll put my cash buyer leads in there, my seller leads in there, my potential JV opportunities inside of there, and keep very detailed, accurate notes of everything that needs to happen with each one of those individuals. Asana is where it's at, and they actually have a free account, so make sure that y'all check that out. The next tool that I have is MailChimp. Now, once you have deals in the pipeline and you've got some stuff that you want to shoot out to your buyers, whether it's yours or whether it's a wholesaler that you're working with and you're trying to do a JV deal, but you want to shoot this property out to your buyers, instead of just manually sending emails out to 48 buyers that you have, I recommend get yourself MailChimp. Like a monkey. MailChimp. Get MailChimp. Like they have a free account as well, and MailChimp will allow you to mass email your entire list of cash buyers versus having to individually message them. They also have options like landing pages and like a lot of really, really cool, unique marketing features that I'm sure that a lot of you will be able to utilize. So definitely check out MailChimp. It's the #1 service out there for email marketing in America. Now the next tip that I have for you all is gonna be utilize Google Calendar. All right, Google Calendar has an enormous impact on my business for years now. Every single thing that I do on a daily basis is all on Google Calendar to a T. Every single appointment, every single phone call, every single follow-up, everything that I need to do, even if it's just something as simple as like, prepare for tomorrow, go to bed, like things like that. Like I take this stuff very, very seriously. When you're running a business, you don't have a boss, right? No one cares whether you succeed or not. So you have to be the boss. So we all are carrying these phones around with us all day, right? I say make sure that you utilize Google Calendar. Have your phone being your boss. So when I schedule an event inside of Google Calendar, my phone is giving me a notification like 30 minutes before that task is due. And then I'll also get an email like 10 minutes before a task is due. So my phone is reminding me to get stuff done. My phone is being my boss. boss, but I'm the one obviously who's writing the stuff into my phone. So that's me being my own boss and making sure that I'm getting stuff done on a daily basis. No excuses. All right, so next is gonna be leveraging Facebook groups. This is one of those strategies that I cannot underestimate the value of leveraging Facebook groups. All right, so most people out here are getting taught how to run their businesses backwards, in my opinion at least, right? They're going out here, they're reaching out to sellers, and then they're lying to sellers first off, but then they're hoping and wishing that they can actually find a buyer for that deal. And then they'll inevitably end up on Facebook trying to sell the property on Facebook, right? So what I recommend is leverage those Facebook groups. If you utilize my strategy, which is finding the buyers first and then working backwards to just find your investors what they're looking for, when you hop inside a Facebook group, there's gonna be tons of people in there trying to wholesale their deals. They're gonna be trying to find a buyer for the deals. All I want you all to do is simply reach out to those individuals and be like, hey, I think I may have a buyer for this deal. Are you interested in doing a JV? Boom. Now from there, you can leverage that group, right? That person may say yes. Now you can go ahead, package up that property and shoot it out to your buyers. So make sure that you're leveraging Facebook groups. I'm not gonna go into too many details on how to exactly leverage Facebook groups, but you can definitely feel free, check out my Wholesaler University course where I go into a lot more details specifically on this topic of leveraging Facebook groups. And then lastly is gonna be Canva and or Adobe Spark Post. I really love Canva because it allows you to be able to make your own business cards, flyers, marketing material, anything that you need to promote and grow your business. You can do it for absolutely free using Canva and or Adobe Spark Post. And so whether you're posting posts on Facebook or Craigslist, or maybe your buyers are actually, hey, can you send me a business card, or whatever it may be, you can create that marketing material yourself. You want to stand out from the competition. You want to look and be different from everyone else out here. You want to be unique, right? You want to be different. So make sure that you check out Canva so you can stand out from the competition. I think I've broken it down for you all. So the base level funnel is going to cost you about $500. Right? So that's Propstream, Data Finder, REI Reply, and Call Tools. Then I recommend having yourself Asana, MailChimp, Google Calendar, leverage Facebook groups, and utilize Canva. All right, so boom, there we go, guys. I hope that this video has been super helpful, man. If it has, if you find value in this, do me a favor, man, drop a comment down below and just let me know, like, yo, Ed, you just put me on. Do me a favor, and also, man, hit that like button, y'all. We're about to top 5,000 subscribers on the channel at the time of me recording this video. So if you haven't become a part of this team already, make sure that y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Quit playing, turn on post notifications so you get notified when I make new content, guys. I hope that y'all staying healthy, staying blessed, rocking and rolling out here. We not playing no games. And until next time, guys, we are out.